Nearly 97% of car owners are driving around with hidden problems and wasted money because they've never heard these game-changing maintenance hacks. One of these simple tricks could easily save you hundreds, even thousands, in repair bills. You've probably walked right past them your whole life. Stick with me because by the end of this video you're going to feel like a backyard mechanic with pro-level secrets. Let's jump straight in with hack number 15. Vodka as emergency windshield wiper fluid. A cheap bottle of vodka runs you about $8 and can refill your washer reservoir multiple times. The real magic? Its high alcohol content drops the freezing point way below plain water, so it actually performs better than a lot of cheap winter washer fluids when the temperature really drops. What most people don't realize is that an empty or contaminated reservoir isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. A smeared windshield on the highway can turn a routine drive into a high-stakes gamble with visibility. But if that hack just opened your eyes, wait until you hear this next one. Hack number 14, toothpaste to restore dull car paint. Your paint is full of swirl marks, light scratches, and that hazy, oxidized look that regular washing can't touch. Dealership touch-ups risk bad color matches, and professional correction can easily run $200 to $400. Most folks just accept it as the car getting older. Don't. Grab a tube of plain white toothpaste, put a small dab on a damp microfiber cloth and work it into the dull areas using slow, circular motions. The gentle abrasives lift away the oxidized layer and minor imperfections without eating into the good paint below. Wipe off the residue with a clean, damp cloth and buff it dry. One $2 tube can treat your entire car multiple times, and the results on white or light-colored paint are shockingly close to a professional polish. Here's the part they don't tell you. Once that clear coat oxidizes enough, UV rays start destroying the color underneath, leading to peeling that costs thousands to fix right. Catch it early with this trick and you protect your paint for years. This next one will have you running to the fridge. Hack number 13, lemon to restore cloudy headlights. Yellowed, hazy headlights make any car look neglected and can cut light output by up to 70%, which is not only dangerous at night but illegal in many states. Restoration kits run $25.40 and pros charge more. Most people just live with it. Here's the secret most drivers miss. The citric acid in fresh lemon juice naturally dissolves that baked-on oxidation layer. Cut a lemon in half and rub it vigorously across the headlight, squeezing out juice as you go. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then scrub with a damp cloth in circles. The yellowing lifts away like magic. A single lemon costs about 50 cents and can do both headlights perfectly. For really bad oxidation, sprinkle a little baking soda on the cloth for extra mild abrasion and watch the results double. Cloudy headlights aren't just ugly, they seriously compromise your safety. Fix them cheap and fast before a cop or worse, an accident reminds you the hard way. Speaking of hidden secrets, this next one will completely change how you clean glass. Hack number 12, newspaper for a streak-free windshield. You think your windshield is clean until the sun hits it or headlights come at you at night, then streaks, smears, and haze appear everywhere. Microfiber cloths just seem to smear the film around. Old-school detailers and mechanics have used this for decades. Spray your regular glass cleaner, then wipe with crumpled newspaper instead of towels or cloths. The ink-infused fibers grab oils and residue at a microscopic level, leaving zero lint and zero streaks. It costs nothing, you're using yesterday's paper and works beautifully on every window, mirror, and the rear glass too, crystal clear in one pass. Those streaks you used to leave behind aren't just annoying, at night they create dangerous glare that can blind you for critical seconds. Before we get into the really powerful stuff, do me a quick favor and smash that like button. It really helps support videos like this. Thanks, you're the best. Now this next one is a feature already built into almost every modern car that almost nobody uses. Hack number 11, the coat hook hidden in your door handle. Look up at the grab handle above your door. That little curved loop isn't just decoration, it's a built-in coat hook designed to hold jackets, handbags, grocery bags, or dry cleaning without damage. Every passenger seat has one too. It costs zero because it's already there and most are strong enough to handle several pounds easily. Car makers put them in nearly every vehicle but almost never mention them in the owner's manual. You've been paying for extra organizers you didn't need. This next one uses something from your laundry room. Hack number 10, clothespin and essential oil as air freshener. Tired of stale car smells and cardboard tree fresheners that go from strong to nasty in days? Take a plain wooden clothespin, add 4 or 5 drops of your favorite essential oil and clip it onto a dashboard air vent. Every time the fan runs, it gently diffuses the scent naturally throughout the cabin. The wood holds the oil and releases it slowly for weeks. Swap pins or scents anytime for total control. A bag of pins and a small bottle of oil give you months of fresh air for under $10 total and way healthier than synthetic sprays that can cause headaches. Hack number 9, dish soap for clean wheels. Brake dust and road grime make your wheels look terrible even after a wash. Dedicated cleaners are expensive. Regular dish soap is formulated to cut grease and bake-on grime better than many wheel-specific products. Mix a few squirts in warm water, scrub with a brush or sponge, and rinse. It also tackles road tar on lower body panels that regular car soap can't touch. One bottle cleans your wheels dozens of times. Brake dust isn't just ugly, those metallic particles are mildly corrosive and will eventually pit your wheels if left sitting. Hack number 8, shaving cream to eliminate foggy side mirrors. Foggy mirrors in rain or cold create dangerous blind spots. Anti-fog sprays wear off fast. Spray shaving cream, foam kind, on the mirror, spread evenly, let it sit 3 minutes, then buff off completely with a dry cloth. It leaves an invisible film that makes water sheet off instead of bead up. Same trick works on side windows to prevent interior fogging on cold mornings. One can treat everything multiple times. Foggy mirrors cause more lane change close calls than most drivers admit. Hack number 7, auto-fold mirrors unlock. Parking in tight spots, worried about someone clipping your mirrors. Many cars made in the last decade have an auto-fold feature. Check your settings menu under mirrors or door locks. Often it's turned off from the factory. Lock with the key fob and mirrors fold in. Unlock and they return. Some models even let you program them to fold in reverse for better curb view while parking. Activating it costs nothing and prevents $150 400 mirror replacements from parking lot dings. Hack number 6, cleaning slime for a deep interior detail. Dashboard vents, buttons, cup holders, and crevices collect dust, crumbs, and hair that vacuums and cloths can't reach. Buy cleaning slime for about $8. Press it in, work it around, and peel it out. It molds to every shape and pulls out gunk in one satisfying go. It even grabs oils that make buttons feel sticky. One container cleans your whole interior multiple times. That debris in your vents isn't just gross, it restricts airflow, spreads allergens, and can lead to mold in your HVAC system. Hack number 5, the transmission reset trick. Rough shifting, hesitation, or clunky downshifts, the transmission might be fine, it's just learned bad habits. Warm up the engine, put it in park, press the brake, and cycle through every gear, holding each for about 3 seconds. Return to park, shut off the engine, and wait 5 full minutes before restarting. This resets the adaptive learning module. Drive gently afterward so it relearns your style cleanly. Many shops charge for this exact procedure. Hack number 4, boiling water to pop out dents. Plastic bumper dent from a parking nudge, no crack or deep scratch. Pour boiling water over the dented area to soften the plastic. Reach behind, through wheel well or underneath, and push it out firmly. As it cools, it reharden in the original shape. For hard-to-reach spots, the heat alone often lets the plastic's memory pop it back out. The sooner you do this, the easier it works. Plastic remembers the wrong shape over time. Hack number 3, ketchup to remove rust from tire rims. Rust spots and brake dust stains on alloy or chrome rims. Apply regular ketchup generously, let it sit 15-20 minutes or 30 for tough spots, then wipe and rinse. The acids break down oxidation at a molecular level. A $2 bottle treats all 4 rims. Surface rust spreads and can eventually weaken the wheel if ignored. Hack number 2, rubber gloves to remove stuck hair. Pet hair embedded deep in seats and carpet laughs at vacuums. Wear slightly damp rubber cleaning gloves and run your hands firmly across the fabric. The rubber creates friction that grabs and balls up hair into easy-to-remove clumps. Works on floor mats, trunk, and even headliner. One pair costs $2 and lasts forever. That trapped hair holds moisture and odor, creating bacteria and that lingering wet dog smell no air freshener fully kills. Hack number 1, flushing your brake fluid trick. Spongy brake pedal, longer stopping distances, brakes less responsive on downhills. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point. Under hard braking it can boil, creating vapor that gives you that scary soft pedal. Flush it yourself. Buy the correct fluid, suck out the old dark stuff with a turkey baster refill, then bleed each caliper farthest first until fresh, clear fluid runs with no bubbles. Old fluid turns dark brown or black. If yours looks anything but light amber, it's hurting performance when you need it most. Neglected brake fluid is a top cause of dangerous brake fade. If this video just saved you serious money or showed you how to maintain your car like a pro with stuff you already have, hit that like button and subscribe. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. And if you want even more money-saving car hacks, click the next video right here. You're not going to regret it. See you in the next one. Drive safe.